till boat launch. 7 minutes. You got him?
Yep.
Yes! Yes! Get him! There you go, right there. Buenos noches, YouTube. I think, however you say good evening, because that's what time it is. I think I just said good night. Either way, what you are about to see is some crazy freaking footage from last week. It was actually like 3 weeks ago. We were trout fishing. There was a bird caught in fishing line. He actually ate a tied fly and the hook got stuck in its beak. And this thing was spinning around, making noise, doing its own freaking thing. Luckily, I was there and able to save its life. So take a look at this, because this is some crazy freaking footage. This bird is caught on fishing line. Hoping I can get it out. Just hanging. I don't know if I have a knife like that either. All I have are my Hemos. Relax, bud. Relax. Oh, relax. Relax. I'm gonna try and get that off. I know. Here. What is it? What are you caught on?
Yeah, you got one, right? You got one?
It's a fly. Gotcha.
There's a bird caught in fishing line. See that?
Oh, to be honest with you, I thought that was a fish that he had hooked.
No, it was a fucking bird. Yeah, this is a lot lower. But look, you couldn't even see the back of the bird.
There you go, bud. You're off.
Yeah, nice release.
Sweet.
Bird.
Let me know what you guys thought of this, because this is why it is so important that fishermen clean up after themselves. If you can get something out, if it's caught in a tree, get it out, because it's literally, it affects the wildlife. And you don't really think about it until you actually see it. I know I don't think about it all the time, but then when you actually see that, it was definitely eye-opening, to say the least, because when you go fishing, there's fishing line everywhere, and it's just important to pick that stuff up. If you can get it off or out of trees, definitely do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow us on Facebook if you're in the Pennsylvania area. Rippin' Lips PA Fishing Report. Post all the up-to-date fishing activities in the Pennsylvania streams, lakes, quarries, and other reservoirs. We do appreciate it, and so does everyone else, so we can know where the hot spots are and where the not so hot spots are. Also, follow us on Instagram at Rippin' Lips PA and on YouTube, which it looks like you're already doing. So hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Outie.